Hello, everyone, and welcome to a quick video where I'm going to show you how to create your Introduction to Cybersecurity and the Ethical Hacking class that's been asked for this Cybersecurity Month promotion. Let's begin by first showing you the Skillsforall site. So this is Skillsforall. If you've never been here before, one of the important things to remember is when you click on Login, you'll notice that you can log in with a Skillsforall account or you can log in with a NetAccount account. I always recommend using your current NetAccount account because your current account in NetAccount can be used to log into Skillsforall, but not vice versa. So if a student only has a Skillsforall account, they do not currently have a NetAccount account. Now there's a actual merger coming up later in the year. We've sent some information out about that, and we'll discuss that in other items. Now what I've done though is I've gone ahead and logged in as my NetAccount account onto Skillsforall. Now, folks, I'm actually turn my video off because you don't need to see me as I'm going through this presentation. You will notice, though, that I am logged in, and typically the way you get logged in is not as an instructor, but you come in as a learner. So you will probably have the role of learner instead of being a actual instructor. So here's what you will see. You will come in, and when you log in, you'll be under My Learning. So you'll be like, well, I can't create a course, Kelly. There's no way. Here's what you do. You go under here for Skillsforall. You click on the little, it looks kind of like a cathedral or a Roman Institute of Learning. And you go down and find the particular school you want or academy you want the class to be under. Click on it, make sure your role is instructor. Now I have a large number of different schools because been in the ASC for so long that I'm associated with a large number of different schools, and click switch role. You will now see that things are different. You'll see my classes, I'm in as the role of instructor. So for this particular Cybersecurity Month promotion that we're asking you to do, what you're going to do is you're going to click create. And by the way, this will create the class now in Skillsforall, but it's associated with your NetAccount Academy. So anybody that logs in to this academy will be part of your academy as far as for numbers and for those types of things. So we'll click class. We'll go and I will call it an instructor-led class or self-paced, either one you want to do it. I'm going to make these instructor-led, but you can make them self-paced. It's okay. But I'm going to do instructor-led because it gives me a little more control over it. Then you can look down here and you can say, do I want to do Cybersecurity Centrals? Do I want to do Intro to Cybersecurity? We can actually look and see which end of these we want, and we can just look for Introduction to Cybersecurity. So start typing Introduction to Cybersecurity, and here it is. So we click on it, click Next. You now can select your language, click Next. Start and end date. So I'm going to start it today, and as Clint asked, he said have it go through, I believe, the end of the year. So I'm actually going to have it go all the way into, for me, I'm just going to have it go to February 28th. Click Next. Now, here's where you could change the image. You could change the name, Introduction to Cybersecurity, SCC, Cyber Month promotion. You wanted to do that. Going down here, nothing else here can change. Click Next. And then add the instructor. I'm the current instructor. You could invite other members of your staff here. Click Next. And then look, go all down, everything's good, and publish. So at this point, you publish it, and I can either go to my classes or invite learners. Now, either one of these will work. If you do invite learners, this will let you create an actual invite link. So that's what I would do, is copy that invite link and then put it into the flyer that I'm sending out with a MailChimp letter. And then that will allow you to do that. Or you can even bring in learners via a CSV file. So I'm actually just going to now go to my class. And so here's the Introduction to Cybersecurity that I just created. I can also go in here and I can go to delve a little deeper. I can actually manage my learners. I can invite the learners again by looking at that particular item there. Hit the wrong thing. If I actually go into the manage learners, you'll see the learners, if there were any in here. There are none in here yet because no one is enrolled. So that is how you would create the class. And I did this one as an instructor-led. Let's go through creating one that is not instructor-led, so self-paced. So we can click Create a Class, Self-Paced, next. And we're looking for ethical hacking. So ethical, there it is, ethical hacker. Click here, click Next. English is the only language that's currently available in. Do the same start date. So there, I'm going to go again out to February. You can go to the end of the month, end of the year if you want to. I'm going to February. I'm doing ethical hacker, SEC, CyberMonth promotion. And here, I'm going to be the instructor and click Publish. Publish it. And now we can invite learners, and notice we can do the same thing. We can get the link if we want to, or we could drop people in if we know using the CSV. I'm just going to cancel that. And so now here's the ethical hacking class. This is a self-paced class. And again, now you can go in here and you can look at, actually go into the class to see who's in it, or you can invite the learners again using that link. So you can create this link. And then if you wanted to, you could convert that link into a QR code. I would just take the link and make it a shorter link using Bitly. So this is how you can create the two courses, the Introduction to Cybersecurity and the Ethical Hacking courses that are being asked of you to create for the Cybersecurity Month promotion. Thank you very much and have a great day.